Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove Google Assistant from home button on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, by knowing how to remove Google Assistant from the home button on your device, you can personalize the device functionality, reduce accidental activations, address privacy concerns, explore alternative use for the home button, streamline navigation, and enhance accessibility. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, navigate to the settings menu on your device. Once there, locate and tap on the display option. Okay, after that, in the display settings, scroll down and find the navigation bar section. So, select this option to proceed. Finally, to disable Google Assistant from being activated by the home button, simply turn off this feature. This will effectively prevent Google Assistant from launching when you long press the home button. Okay, and also by removing Google Assistant from the home button, you can prevent unintentional triggers of the assistant and maintain a smoother user experience. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove Google Assistant from home button on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.